Hello po, Leo. Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is Leo for June 21st to June the 23rd reading. Ayan. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button and comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate or hit a Z notification bell. Kung gusto niyo rin po sumali sa ating live sessions or i-check na rin yung ibang reading po, meron din po tayong kabilang channel that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, no? I think na meron tayong pinaplano or yung person natin may pinaplano, no? Hirap lang i-execute, no? Itong magandang surprise, magandang plano. It felt like we need help of other people. I think na this is to make a person happy. Again, pwedeng ikaw po itong binabasahan ko, pwede pong yung person ninyo, or pwede yung ikaw mismo cross-watchers, no? Ang cross-watchers po, sila po yung hindi Leo, pero chine-check ang Leo reading. Yun po ang cross-watchers. So, what I am reading in here is the dynamic, no? At yung nangyayari, no? So, ang nakikita ko dito, merong isang nagpaplano. Kailangan maibigay ko yung best. The best, no? Kay person para mapasaya ko siya. Pero hindi ko magagawa ito mag-isa. So, kailangan ko ng kakampi, kailangan ko ng kumbaga, ayuda, no? Or sabihin natin, kahit papaano moral support, no? Or at least backer man lang, no? Yung ganyan. I believe that it has something to do with an expression, whether it is through verbal or through energetic form. With the Ace of Wands, the Five of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita ko dito, no, it's more of nagtitingin-tingin ako, no? Siguro I'm comparing, I'm having a bit of an option, no? Siguro din. Option to how I can do all this, how can I execute all this, including, no? I-express itong passion ko. I'm seeing angel number 333. Kanina pa yung 333. Sa Sagittarius, nakita ko na rin yung angel number 333. No? For those of you who has Sagittarius partners, pwedeng you can check the Sagittarius reading. Kasi nakita ko na rin to sa Sagittarius, no? I'm just wondering if merong connection, no? Wala pa naman yung mga cards dito, pero hopefully makakita ko ng Sagittarius cards, and that signifies that Leo, you must also check the Sagittarius reading. But anyway, let's go back. This is me checking how I can express this emotion. Energetic, which means also baka ready na ako, no? Na magkaniig, no? May mangyari sa amin, or magkaanak. Ayan. With the Three of Swords and the Knight of Cups. So parang ang tingin ko dito, may paghingi ng sorry. Itong paghingi ko ng sorry na gagawin is more of pwedeng i-announce ko, no? Or baka hindi ako napapansin, no, ni person or ayaw akong pansinin, kaya ako humihingi ng tulong sa mga friends, pwedeng family members. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, no, Leo, more of nasaktan. May nasaktan kaya ako mag-express ng emotion. At medyo matagal-tagal na rin itong separations, no? Separations can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, no, different continent. Ayan. Pwede kabilang barangay, kabilang baryo. Pero medyo matagal-tagal na rin hindi kami nagpapansinan. So, I think it's much better if I'm the one who's going to approach, no? Um, with the Three of Swords, the Ace of Swords, and the Five of Swords. So, may pangako dito, whoever this person is, who's approaching, hinding-hindi ako bibitaw, no? Hinding-hindi ko ibibigay, no, ang person ko sa ibang tao. May sense of ownership na this person is only mine. This person, no, willing akong makipag-away, willing akong ipagtanggol, o willing ako, no, na kumbaga kahit sino pa man yan dumating, no, etong person ko ay para sa akin lang. With the Nine of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. So, willing din akong sabihin natin, willing din akong mag-invest, no, ng amount. Willing din akong mag-invest ng, sabihin natin, it could be amount of time, it could also be money, no? Willing akong gumasta, at saka pinagtutuunan ko, no, ng pansin. So I feel like ready na ako sa connection. Ready na ako na ibigay, no, ang lahat-lahat, no, kay Leo. Even the relationship, even yung pagbuo ng family, even sabihin natin itong pag-move. There's something here about movement. There's something here about travel. Changes are here in energetic and in physical form. So, ready itong person na ito. Ready si person para ibigay ang kasiyahan at ang mga wishes ni Leo. And I think what I am seeing in here, katulad ng sabi ko, talagang pinaghahandaan, pinagkakagastusan. Either this is cohabitation or living in together, proposal or marriage. So sobra ang effort na ginagawa, no, ni person para kay Leo. So this is your reading, Leo. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces. I'm seeing Cancer, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Sagittarius. Di lumabas nga si Sagittarius. So this is your reading, Leo. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nandun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto nyo pong i-check yung ibang readings, meron din po tayong ibang channel, no? That is Babaylan TV. Nagla-live po din po tayo doon. So, pwede po kayong sumali sa live sessions. And kung hindi nyo naman po maabutan yung live, pwede naman po kayong magtanong, no, dito sa comment section sa YouTube. hindi po sa TikTok, sa YouTube, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Leo, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, sa description box po, meron po dong link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my page or website, no? Meron po dong drop downs. So, nandun po yung mga instructions to ask questions, how much per questions, and we have a promotion, no? And that is for a discounted price. That's 4 plus 1. And kung gusto nyo rin pong i-avail, no, ang ating private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So this is your reading, Leo. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po.
You want the best of my heart, you just